Hello, stream started.
Hello. Hello. Welcome. Hello. How are you today? Hello. Welcome. Yeah. Ah. Try not to get boiled alive? Well, that sounds difficult. In more ways than one. Yeah, depending on the situation, that is. Yeah. I was watching a new documentary of a guy who basically was simping for a OnlyFans model, let's call her model, and then he found out she had a boyfriend, and the guy got so mad he flew, literally crossing basically the entire US to where she was. Like, he somehow found out where she was, drove from the airport to her house in the middle of the night, stopped somewhere to buy like gasoline or something of the sort, and when he arrived to her house, he set her car on fire and then ran away. You would think it's scary, right? But here is the issue. Here is what I found the most amusing. The guy burned her car without covering his face. Like, she had security cameras, so his face was like pretty much on display on the camera. That's one, right? B, when he ran away, he did it by getting on his car, driving away 10 minutes, stopping, and then just sleeping in the car. So when she called the police and the police started doing a search of the area, they found him like immediately. You would say, okay, the guy is pretty dumb, right? When the police questioned him, he basically said, hey, I stopped here at midnight. I came from the airport going to a friend's house, right? But he couldn't explain why would he sleep on a random residential area instead of going to a motel or something of the sort. He also evaded the question about where does his friend live, right? And according to him, he was there from midnight, right? Mind you, the crime was committed like at 2 a.m. and he was caught on the car at 3 a.m. around that time, right? So he had been sleeping on the car for 3 hours, according to him. The engine should be cold, right? But the cop went up to the car, put his hand on the hood, and the engine was warm. So clearly it hadn't been too long since he turned off the car. Yeah. What do you think about this so far? You wanna hear the next part? The police came with a tracker dog and went to the girl's house. The dog picked on the scent for the guy, and the dog literally ran straight up to the car of this guy, the one that was parked, with like, I don't know, 5 police officers that were following the dog. Because this guy didn't change clothes. He was using the exact clothes he was caught on camera, right? Then again, he actually got rid of like his hat, the plastic gloves he used to burn the car, and the gasoline recipient and that kind of stuff, right? It was not on his car when they searched the car. You would say, okay, so at least he got rid of that evidence, right? Except that evidence was like less than 5 meters from his car, hidden behind a tree. Yeah. Do you know what's the best part? In the bags hidden behind the tree, there were receipts of the things he bought. So now the police can literally just walk up to the stores and tell them, hey, show me the camera for the guy who bought this at this time. The one matching this receipt. What do you think about this villain? Negative IQ? Yeah. You know what's the worst part? The guy still had on him enough stuff to basically burn the evidence, because he went to commit arson on this girl's house, right? So the guy had the means to burn the receipts, the gloves, and everything else he tried to discard, right? Even his clothes, right? Yeah. So he basically had like everything on him to actually properly execute a good plan. He just didn't. Yeah. So that was like extremely funny. Yeah. Also, the way he talked when he spoke to the police was like so fucking guilty that I believe even a rookie detective will have like caught him, like just by the way he was behaving. because he was like, they told him that when they first found him, like, hey, what are you doing here? There has been a crime done not far from here. Hello, welcome, Wolf. Yeah. And they asked him, hey, did you commit this crime? And he behaved like, what? No, what crime? I swear to you, I didn't do it. Right? Right? I know it's very suspicious that I'm sleeping right here, but I promise you, I swear, it was not me. Right? When a normal person, when basically asked the same question, hey, did you commit this crime? You would say like, no? Like, dry? Like, to the point? You don't like overemphasize the negation, like saying, I swear I didn't do it, right? That's weird. You would say like, no? Do I need a lawyer? That would be a normal person's reaction, right? Yeah, I'm talking about a guy that he was basically following OnlyFans model. Then he found out she had a boyfriend. He got so mad, he flew across the United States to her house to burn her car. But the guy, when he ran away, when he committed the crime, he didn't use a mask. He didn't even bother hiding from the cameras. When he ran away, he only drove like 10 minutes away and then proceeded to sleep in the car. The evidence, he threw it away like 5 meters away from where he stopped to sleep. Like literally almost on plain sight. Right next where he was. Yeah, he didn't bother changing clothes. So, tracking dog.
Sounds like a very dedicated simple.
Yeah, a tracking dog. Welcome, by the way, Michael. Welcome. Yeah. So, a tracking dog was able to literally direct the police all the ways to him where he was sleeping fairly easily. Yeah. Also, the bags that he tried to discard 5 meters away from his car had receipts of everything he bought, which is extremely stupid. You would think a criminal would. The first thing you would do was get rid of the receipt, right? Get rid of that. Yeah. Yeah, that was extremely funny. Yes. Yeah. I also saw this other video of a Spanish-speaking VTuber that basically does like news or drama stuff. And turns out she was stealing the videos she did from other content creators. She literally almost copied everything word by word. He will do the same jokes at the same times, use like the same images within the video. Yeah. And she thought she was not going to get caught just because she was basically translating the video from English to Spanish. Yeah. Yeah, that was another thing that I found interesting. I actually thought on doing content like that, right? Like doing in-depth investigations and publishing the videos. I even thought on referencing famous documentaries and that kind of stuff. But even I realized that was a bad idea. That's fine, Wolf. Don't worry about it. Enjoy your meal. Yeah. I thought, wait, but if I don't do the research myself, I would probably be just stealing from the other content, right? So I decided to not do it. Yeah. I wonder why people do that. Is it really that hard to understand you're going to be caught fairly easily? I wonder. Do they not watch like crime shows or something? Some people are just not that smart. Yeah, I suppose. What kind of people are the kind of persons that make you think, okay, maybe I'm not that dumb. Maybe I'm smarter than I think I am. Yeah, because for example, I would probably, if I'm going to commit a crime, I'm going to watch like every season of any crime show I can find and see what ways they capture the criminals, right? Want to keep in mind. And then I would go find the specific crime I want to commit, right? Then I will check how did they caught him, right? What mistakes they made, what things did right, what things they did wrong, right? And before committing the crime, I would run like a practice round. Yeah. Yes, but yeah, for the crime I would do a practice round, maybe even 3 or 4 before actually trying. Yeah. About the content stealers, the thing is, I would believe them that they just want attention or fame if they actually put some effort to make sure you copy the homework, but not letter by letter, right? Because if you do the same jokes, if you do the same pacing, the same subjects on the same order, showing the same or very similar images, with your video basically being for the most part exact same, and also your thumbnail being like a one-to-one copy of the one you steal from, just translated, then I don't think you are doing things in good faith, right? even more if you don't mention in any part of the video that you're basically translating someone else's work, right? Yeah. Yeah, I believe that kind of people are like they want the fame, but they don't know how to obtain it, right? So what they do is grab someone else's success and try to pass it off as their own, right? But you see, that's actually already a kind of criminal, right? It's called a fraud. Yeah. Or they just don't want to put the effort, right? Because both fraud and plagiarism are actual crimes, right? So if they are crimes, you don't get to say it's not malicious, right? It's like trying to copy someone else's book and try to sell it as if you wrote it. Yeah. So there is damage to the person you stole from, because when he or she tries to translate their work to yours, they are going to be called like the frauds themselves, right? Even though you are the one who stole the piece, right? So they do damage, yes. Then again, there is something that at least I always try to do whenever I encounter a situation like that. Someone I low-key admired always said, don't attribute malice to something that can be explained through stupidity. Yeah. But I have such a hard time following that. That saying. Yeah. Yeah, don't rule out malice, but don't immediately attribute malice to someone that can be explained through stupidity. Yeah. But I have such a hard time doing that. Just fun. Yeah, don't jump to conclusions. Yes. To be fair, you did grow around snakes. Yes. That's an issue, right? Because in my case, 9 out of 10 times I was actually being betrayed. Yeah. It was always malice, like 90% of the time. Yeah. That's why I have such a hard time believing someone is just incapable. They are just that incompetent. Yeah. They are so incompetent they need to steal someone else's work, or they are not going to succeed by themselves. Right. But I had such a hard time believing that. My brain always defaults to they are doing this maliciously. Yeah. They didn't trip. They did it on purpose. Yeah. They didn't accidentally throw the cup of wine on top of you. Yeah, it was an accident. Not malicious at all. Yeah. Ah. But yeah, I saw those two cases, which was fairly interesting to watch. Yeah. Yeah, the old wine spill. Yes. Okay, shall we move on to the game development now then? But yeah, that kind of people.
Hello, stream started. Hello, sounds like a very dedicated simple.
Hello! Yeah, that kind of people always, I think they are malicious in general. Oh, need to fix that script eventually. There we go. Yeah. Either a malicious act of pure malice or a failure made up by people with the reflexes of statue. Yeah. Yeah. That's so annoying. The fact that I cannot really tell when it's malicious or not. Well, at least not at first. Yeah, I need to like get what to call it? Get to know them, so I can tell if they are just that bad at it or they actually are malicious. Yeah. Malicious baby crying. Yeah. Yes. By the way, did I show you guys the full map? Or the game? Or did I not? Let me see if I can find it. This map. This is the current map of the dungeon. Yeah. And this is the location of the Kraken. Right here. Yeah. I still need to remove the crates because they are on the way. Yeah. Yeah, and I need to add the animations for the baby Kraken. That's like a requirement right now. Okay, so we have our baby Kraken right here. I think I can fix these doors actually. Let me actually first remove the crates that are in the way. Yeah, I'm making a whole full game based on the original Zelda. Yeah. Okay, so first is one right here. I think I can just rotate it without modifying much. Yeah, let's see. 90 degrees. Yeah, there we go. And this one right here. I don't need that. And this is fine also. Okay. And I just need to do a 180. There we go. Nice. Take this baby Kraken. Can you imagine having a baby Kraken as your main weapon on a game? That would be interesting, actually. It would be a bit weird. Maybe it would be like a Banjo-Kazooie kind of thing. Yeah, I don't need those. Okay. Okay, and let's see. Now I need to add some animations. The idol, I can probably like this. What I want is the charge and the hunting to be more clean. Carrying around a barrel of water. Well, what was his name? Tanjiro from Demon Slayer had a whole person on his back carrying basically a barrel. Yeah. Nexuko? Yeah. It will be like that. Or you will have a baby Cthulhu on your back. Okay. So, the way I'm going to do this is that I'm going to hide the baby Kraken from this. And I'm going to need to use just a barrel here. Give it peaceful. That would be interesting, actually. But who would be our main character? Would be just a random dude? A siren? Let's see. How do I fix this? Okay, maybe if I move this up. Like that. Wait. Oh, I see. That's on top. Okay, I can just hide that. I want to make this a bit more squarish. Right? Actually... Also needs to be something strong to carry around a battlefield. Or we could go the opposite direction and make it like a fairy to make it more absurd. Yeah.
E.
Welcome, DC. Welcome. Ooh, I know what to do. Hold on. How about I grab this by half? Let's say right here. Like this. I will copy and flip it and put it from on top. Right, and I can make the barrel like this. I just need to compose the image better on the ground behind it. Yeah, there is no issues. Don't worry about it, Wolf. It's fine, it's fine. Let's see. What I want is this to look like an actual barrel from the top. So maybe I will grab the top line right here and invert it. Like that. Right? Maybe if I make it a bit more flat. That's too much. Maybe one more pixel, but like this. How about if I do it like that? And I do the same over here. It looks weird. Yeah, it looks like a shield. Yeah, it's going to be a top-down view from the barrel, but I think I need to rework this a bit. Shush, cell phone. Shush, I said. Damn it. Hold on, let me just silence my cell phone. Okay. So basically, we had this boss that looks like this. I need to open it. There we go. Here is the boss fight, basically. Right now it doesn't have animations. So it basically does 3 attacks, then does a charge attack, like that, and then does a sweep, and returns to the 3 attack pattern, right? Again, once the 3 attacks are done, does the charge and then the sweep, right? So what I want is when he does the sweep and the charge, I want it to go into the barrel and basically roll around, right? That's the idea. Yeah, currently it doesn't have animations, it's just the idle image. Maybe I just need to straighten this. That could be an option if I like move this up a little, and I can then copy this and duplicate this down here. Does that look more like a barrel? It still looks a bit weird. Maybe if I move this inwards to make it more flat. Well, that looks more like a barrel, but it still looks a bit weird. This is very cool, much more creative than most creators. Well, you see, for my game development, I set a very specific set of rules. Basically, I played through the original game of Zelda, the 1986 version, I believe, for the Famicom, and I took note of everything within the game: the number of dungeons, how many enemies, difficulty, hard pieces, the size of the map, dimensions, and everything. And I set that as my lowest bar. So at the bare minimum, I need to match the original game, right? In size and scope, including the different dungeon items. Yeah. That's it, yeah. Because it's not June, I guess you need to straighten it up. It's not June? What do you mean? Yeah, basically I grabbed the original game and I said, okay, at the bare minimum, I want to match the original, right? And everything else needs to be an upgrade. If I remove something, it has to be for a reason, right? Basically. Yeah. Then again, I must not add too much because it could very easily get out of control with feature creep. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I think this is I suppose it's a good start from here, right? So now what I want to do is I can improve this animation later. It doesn't have to be perfect. So we're here, right? So what I'm going to do is just move some of the lines. So let me actually copy this layer. And let's call this Nook. Just in case. Like that, right? And what I'm going to do is just delete the background. Right? Let me just hide this. Leaving only the lines between the different planks. Yeah, what I'm going to do is just move those to make it look like it's moving when it's actually just a shift in some colors. Yeah. Yes, they show us that because basically I started from Zelda. To start with, I didn't have a story for the game when I started, so that would be a bit difficult making a document, even though I know I should, right? I have something that is like a semi design document, but it's mostly for lore and that kind of stuff, not so much about mechanics. Yeah. Basically, I want to use it as an inspiration. Like I'm using it, what to call it? How to explain this? I want to match the legacy, right? I want to have that kind of deep ingredient lore and gameplay, and I like the style of gameplay, right? even though I will change some things here and there. And my goal is to basically match the greatest games they have, but I cannot start with Breath of the Wild or Tears of the Kingdom, right? I need to start small. So I decided to go from the roots forward, right? And I know my games will eventually deviate from the originals, but I think that's a good thing. Yeah. Yeah. Also, as an additional little bit of difficulty, I'm doing this while learning the engine from the ground up. So I basically learned the engine on the go. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to move the nukes a little bit around to make it look like it's moving. So I'm just going to probably put this one at the center, right? And move this a little bit to the back. Actually, I can just grab it like this and push it back. Like this one also. Right? And this comes forward. And I can copy this and flip over here to make this more visible. Like that. That makes the shift like this. Ah, that doesn't look right. Yeah, I think I need to remove the nukes below. But yeah, that's the goal. I basically am using the original game as a template of sorts to start with. It might not look left, but I do believe it looks a bit sinister. And that makes it look like this. It does look a little bit like it's moving, I suppose. So if I duplicate this, like that. Whoa, not that fast. Let's set it to a lower frame rate. Okay, that's kind of looks okay-ish, right? Right, that looks a bit like it's moving. Checky box. I can then add a bit of movement. It's gonna burst open. Maybe. It does look like that. I can make it a little bit like up a little to give it a bit more shakiness, right? And then down like that. I need to move this one also. So it would be like this. Then I can maybe add some directional dust to make it look more clean. Right? So I can, for example, maybe add a bit. Like that. Actually, hold on. It would be better if this was its own layer. Smoke. Let's call it that. Actually, dust. Yeah, okay. So first I will just add the little speed thingies. Right? Actually, I think with just that looks actually better. Let me fix this a little bit. Okay. So then I will make this go down a bit. Right? Just to give a sense of speed. A bigger sense of speed. Right is. And move it with the barrel also. So just okay, and this goes right there.
The spin.
The spin. Hello, hello, Chrissy. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, okay. And that looks like this. Maybe some of these can be deleted. It looks a bit weird. If I have all of them. Yeah, maybe there is a bit too many particles, actually. Let me clean some of them. It looks a bit messy. Yeah. That looks better. Yeah. Layok in a lot barrel. Yeah, it might actually look like that. Yes. Okay, now that I have this, I'm going to do something very specific. First, I did it on the ground sprite. Lovely. I'm going to make this the arc one. So I will delete the other one that I did. And this becomes the arc one. This one, that is the one I am in. Right? I'm going to just rotate a little bit. And let's see. Image rotate clockwise 90 degrees to make the movement down, right? And to make this movement. And then I will do the same to make the left one. I just need to delete the one I had as a placeholder real quick. And finally, the up one is going to be this one. But I'm going to just flip it like that. Okay, is the left one correct? It's not correct. Okay. Image rotate 90 degrees. There we go. Okay. Okay, let's see how that looks. Okay. So first we have 3 attacks. 1, 2, 3, and charge. Oh wow. Did I not put it on the correct spot? Oh, I see. 1 second. This is for the movement state, not the charge. Okay. Then I'm going to just let's see, move it to attack charge. Yeah, duplicate and move it over here. I'm going to copy the name of the state real quick. Okay, and get rid of this. Let's change the nomenclature of the mapping. Okay. Now it should work, at least for the charge. Let's see. Oh wait, did I have mixed it up? Whoops, I didn't have the alerts enabled. Sorry. They are enabled now. Did I get stuck somehow? Oh, right. The size of the collision box is different. I see. That's the issue. Yeah. Let me refund you the alert, Ricardo. 1 second. Let's see. Users. Where are you? There is users. Ricardo. Alerts. There we go. Now you have your alert back. Okay. Okay, so the collision box is not correct currently. Right now it looks like this. It should not look like that. So let's adjust it a little bit. Yeah. Probably something like that would be the best. Yeah, maybe a little bit more to the
Element of surprise!
Something like that. It would be best. Okay. That's for the left. This is up. Manual ellipse. There we go. And then we need to modify this one also. Ellipse. Manual. Okay, there we go. And I believe I'm missing the right one. Yeah. There we go. Okay, let's give it a run to check. 3. Okay. And the charge. Nice. That looked quite nice. Ah, it's stuck. Okay, I need to adjust the collision box for the idle. Then. Yeah, maybe it is not the best option right now. So let me see. The collision right here is 9, 38, 38, and 38. Okay, this one right here. Let's see. If I adjust this one to something similar, what would I get? 9 and 10 with 38. That's actually not bad. I like that. Yeah. Okay, so I will use that one then. Let's see. That's that. Manual leaves 9 and 10, 38. Okay. Manual ellipse 9, 10, 38. Okay. And this one also. 9, 10, 38, 38. Okay. That should fix. You like the music? Yeah. I personally picked them from the library I have available. By the way, if you want to see it, they are linked in the description. The music I use for my stream. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes I forget to actually do the zooming. Sadly, because I have to do it manually. Yeah, it's literally a single button on my mouse, but sometimes I forget. I try to do it always, but sometimes I forget about it. There we go. Okay, let's see. So now it shouldn't get stuck. That's 1, 2, 3, and charge, and move. It's not moving. Maybe I need to push it back a little bit after the charge. Yeah. Oh, well, that charge works. Yeah, it's stuck now. Yeah. I think I need to make a little bit of a knockback right there. Okay. Oh yeah, one thing I want to do, because we got rid of the crates in the boss room, I think I need to run the drop. The drop function, so the player actually gets something to heal with. Yeah. It was drop or drops? I don't remember. Drops. Okay. Yeah, okay. Let's close this. This is our little ink splash on the projectile. Let's see. So we have our basically we have on hunting, that is when we are doing the 3 attacks for hunting. Then we have the charge. Yeah, and then that follows the sweep. Instead of the sweep, how about I make an on charge wind down? That probably would be a good idea. Yeah. So I will make a charge wind down. Okay. Let me add it to the enums real quick. So charge wind down, and we will use the prefix charge wind down like that. But like this. Wind down like that. CWD. Okay, that will be the prefix. And instead of sending to sweep here, actually I can I simplify this? But for now, let's leave it like this. Charge wind down. Right, we switch to this state. So that means over here we need a function for the wind down. On charge wind down. Okay, and that's going to be it right here. Function on charge wind down. Okay. So basically I want it to bounce a little bit back, right? So how about we move? We have a player direction, right? during the charge. Okay, so I'm going to basically check for the same thing, but instead of moving to the right or left, I'm going to go on the opposite direction, right? For the knockback. So I basically remove this and this, and this is going to become, instead of minus, it will become a plus. And on the other case, it will become a minus, right? When do we stop with the knockback? I will say when the animation ends, right? So on animation end, for the state of charge animation going down, if the animation ended, then we go into the sweep, right? The one we were going before. Right? So now we just need the wind down animation. So how about I just duplicate this folder? It won't let me. Okay, create folder, wind down. Why did I type that in minuscules? In caps lock. Wind down. Okay. I'm going to duplicate this and move it over here. Okay. And we said the prefix was going to be charge, wind down, like that. Okay. Like that. Okay, we have our wind down. Currently, the images have 4 frames. So maybe that would be good enough, actually. So it will just run for 4 frames. The wind down. Let me check. Oh great, there is a duplicate case somewhere. Oh, right here. Charge, wind down. There we go. Did I put that thing a bit too in a bit too hard spot to reach? Then again, I guess that's the point. 3 and charge. Charge, knockback, and the sweep. There we go. The knockback was a bit too fast, but I mean the wind down. But I believe it is good enough. Yeah, the knockback is a bit too much, actually. The traps are working just fine, apparently. Yeah. Yeah, the knockback is a bit too much. Yeah. Yeah, because it was very forward. Yeah, actually. Why is the ink shaking? I did it to make it look like it was going faster, but I suppose it looks a bit weird. And then the charge. That looked fine right there. And there we go. And that doesn't look right. Yeah. Okay. So this switches at the end of the animation, right? Rather than using the charge speed, maybe I just use a 1 for this. Maybe that's what's causing the issue. Yeah. Maybe I'm moving a bit too fast. Yeah. The knockpad might be better if it's small. Okay. So we had the ink shots. Then there is the charge, the sweep. That look good. Ah, ouch. 1, 2, 3, and charge. Okay, the knockback looks a bit weird. I must admit. Yeah. The drops are actually pretty good. Maybe. I think. Charge and knockback. Yeah, it looks a bit weird if I leave it like that. Yeah. Yeah, we might need to actually modify that animation. Okay. First, I think I need to rename these ones because they are basically moving on the wrong direction. So this will be the up direction, and the up becomes down. And then left becomes right, and right becomes left. Like that. Okay, so how do I make this look correct? Okay. How about if I make it smaller? Wouldn't that look better, actually? If I grab this thing and make it like shrink it a little bit. Image, resize frames, scale image, How about if I drop like body? Whoa, that was very blurry. uh, let's put 36 actually, and without interpolation, and that looks awful. Maybe I'm going to have to do this manually. Okay, so I'm going to grab the top and move it a few frames down. Right, like about here. And this one also. Now we'll do the same over here. So we'll move this around there, and this like this, and from the side I will do pretty much the same. Actually from here. Like that. And I will do this here also. And I just clean it a little bit. Okay, and these ones will also need to shrink a little bit. Right? That looks so weird, actually. Yeah, that looks very weird. Hold on. Yeah, this doesn't look right. Let me copy that, and I will just flip it vertically and put it over here-ish. And do the same with the other one, just to make sure it actually symmetrical. Right? Like that. That looks better. Can the barrel spin dash? Not currently. It would look extremely weird, I would say. Okay, let me add another layer. And this is going to be just a circle. like that. Maybe that's a bit big. Around this. That's a bit big still. Actually, maybe something like this is not so bad. Okay. And I'm going to change the opacity for this to like half to make a shadow, right? And actually, let me copy this before I change the opacity. Just to make sure it's on the same spot. Okay. So we have this. And this layer to 50%. Okay. And I'm going to, I suppose, do the same thing I did here. Let's copy this. And I will place it over here. Okay, and I want to make this a little bit smaller even. So how about just like a pixel smaller from each direction. Right? And the same over here. I just need to reduce it 1 pixel on each direction. And I can probably get rid of the one below, like that. I'm going to duplicate this frame like that. Get rid of this too. Right? Duplicate the first one, put it at the end. Right? And that makes the appearance that it went up and down. Right? And then I delete the right one and duplicate this. Okay, and this one in particular, I just need to flip like that. Okay. And that should look like this. I have no idea is this going to look good or not. I mean shit. Okay. Uno, one, two, three. Charge. That is the charge. And you can barely see the animation. Wow. Okay. Maybe I need to make the animation a bit longer. Yeah. Okay, let's change the speed of the animation to be half so it lasts longer. And I noticed that there is not much feedback when the barrel hits the wall, so how about I make a little camera shake. So I go over here to the moment we change to wind down, right? And I just add a screen shake. Screen shake. Let's make it last 4 frames. The magnitude, I will put it to... Let's start with 2. The fade, I will leave it to 3 frames. Okay, and I will duplicate that line over here. Let's see. Okay. So that's a shot. 2, 3, and charge. You cannot notice a damn thing. Yeah, I'm going to have to make it longer, huh? Yeah. Okay, so the camera shake is going to need to be bigger. So let's set it to 8 and a bit more strength with a fade of 4 for now. For the animation, I believe maybe I should modify a little bit this. So I'm going to change the center of the image so I can do a bit of more wild animation. Bottom center is what I want. Okay. So what I'm going to do is move the shadow to the bottom. Basically, like right there, for all images, just all the way to the bottom. Right, and what I'm going to do is very simple. I'm just going to grab this one and I'm going to start it like over here. Right? And then I will make it higher. Like that. And then back down. Right? So let me actually move the little dust particles over here. Yeah. And this one needs to go down also. So that would make it look like this. Actually, the particles look a bit weird. Let me remove those. Maybe if I make it a little bit faster. This is going to the left. Okay, so I can make it, maybe make a bit of an impact real quick. Let's see. So maybe I can just make this little like impact shape right here. Damn it. Ah. Damn it, Ricardo. Yes, you caught me off guard. And pretty much everyone here, I believe. That was loud, yes. Okay, like that. The roll gives me of the coconut octopus that used to have a coconut shell to roll around. Yeah, that sounds very goofy, I will admit. Yes. Goofy. Okay, and I'm going to add some circles right here. That looks really weird. So it will look like this. Yeah, it looks a bit weird, huh? Especially the last one. So let me just remove some rudder from this. there would be a home like that. Probably I should make this a bit more profound. It doesn't feel like it has that much weight on it. So maybe make it more obvious. Okay, there we go. We are here. Let's see. And 1, 2, 3. And go. Now that look a bit more meaty with the screen share. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. And charge. Boom. Oh, that looked pretty good actually. A bit too quick, but it looked pretty good. Yeah. So that doesn't look that good, but the one to the left actually looks pretty good. It goes like 1, 2, 3, and then really? It just stopped? Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Actually, that looks fine. Yeah. Maybe if I make it a bit slower and increase the shake, it will look pretty nice. Okay, so let's make the time 16 frames because it's still too short. Yeah. Like that. And with the speed lower, it should make it look more meaty. Ah, I fell. Damn it. There we go. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Charge. Okay. There goes the sweep. And it's 1, 2, 3. Charge. Okay, that looked pretty good, actually. Yeah. Sometimes it doesn't animate, which is weird. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So maybe if I add a screen shake also to the landing, it would be pretty nice, actually. Yeah. To make it more meaty, the impact, even. And to prevent the animations from not playing, let me check the manual for the engine. There has to be a way to restart the animation counter. I believe it was sprite index? No. image in number? Image number? Read-only variable. No, that's not it. Image index. Sprite made of the models animated such as they switch one file or can switch between the code giving different states, much like a button on Windows. Okay, so I can basically set this to 0 to restart the animation, I believe. Yeah, okay. Like that. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, and shoot. That's nice. Okay. And then we go 1, 2, 3, and the charge. Oh, that looks really nice. Okay, that looks very, very good. I like it, love it. So there is the charge, impact, the recoil on the fall. Okay. And on the left side, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, okay. And then the charge, impact, impact, and we continue. Nice! That looks so good. Yeah. Okay. So now I just need to update some animations to make it look more clean. Okay, so I will... What is it? I need the... No title. The moving ones to be duplicated. And I will move all of them to hunting. And let's rename them. Okay. Hunt. Yeah, this is the most complex enemy so far. Okay, that should make the movement for the octopus more clean. Yeah. And I wanted to duplicate the one for the charge. This is left, right? So I need to do the right. The going down. I mean. Wait, this is not the right one. Wait, this is charge. Okay, that's the window. This one right here. I'm going to just delete this one. Duplicate this one to set it to the right. Open it. And edit. And I'm just going to mirror all frames to make that animation. Okay. Let's see how this looks. There we go. And that looks pretty cute. Maybe if I remove the speed lines, it will look more clean. Yeah. Yeah, now that looks way better. Right? Like that? Yeah, the bounce effect looks very smooth. I like it. Yeah, I need to remove the speed lines. Shouldn't it become bigger when it bounces upwards? You are actually correct. Yeah. I actually got that backwards, huh? Yes, you are indeed correct. Yeah, that's actually wrong. You are indeed correct. Yes. I completely messed up that perspective. Yeah. But it still looks kind of smooth. Right? 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 Okay. What I was going to do? Ah, yeah. I need to remove the lines, the speed lines from the hunting. Yeah, okay. Where are they? Ouch, my ears. Ouch. Okay, that looks fine. Let's remove that one also. And this one right here. And finally, this one right there. Okay. You managed to remove the headphones on time? Yeah. Sadly, this is not a rare occurrence on my stream. Yeah. Okay. So that should make it look more clean. Ah, I missed. I missed again. Ah, I fell. Damn it. Ah, I fell again. Okay.
I awaken from my bed.
Welcome. Welcome, Mateo. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, it looks really funny. Now it looks way more clean in general. Yeah, maybe the sweep still looks a bit weird. Yeah. Okay. So let me fix the sweep. Let's see. Sweep. I think I can just use the charge. duplicate. Move it over here. And I will just get rid of this SWP. Okay. SWP. I think the protections drop money when they hit the wall. Is this indebted? Yes, because I removed the barrels and the crates from winning the boss arena because they were messing with the AI. Yeah, I removed all the crates and everything from here. Yeah, so I need a way to give the player basically items and hearts. So I decided to make the projectiles drop. Basically normal item drops. Yeah. The idea is that the player has survivability. Blah, blah, blah. So basically, this was a good place to farm coins. Yes, if you can survive. Yeah. Without issues. Then again, I don't expect you to have much use for money at this point in the game. Yeah. Now that looks more clean even. I like it. Yeah, there will be a point for the money eventually. Yes. Oh, it looks pretty good, the sweep now. Yeah. Ah, yeah, the sweep now looks pretty good. Okay. Ah. Did you manage to solve the vibrating enemies? Not really. There is still some issues with the pathfinding that I need to address, but I don't want to get stuck trying to figure out the pathfinding. Yeah. I will eventually get to it. Yes. It's improving, however. Yeah. I also need to add the damage script to the charge. I have not added. So you can literally tank the the hit like this. How many streams? Maybe 4? for full 3-hour streams on the pathfinding. Yeah, it's been a bit of a pain in the ass. Yeah. Okay, let me just add the damaging script to the charge. You will say 6 or 7? Really? Let's see. Charge on charge. Now we'll just attack. This right here. And it requires a damage. I will leave it. What would be a good damage here? How about 2? Basically 2 HP. The projection is going to be X, Y. X, Y, depending on the direction. So it would be plus change speed right here on X. And what else do I need? Knockback. It would be. I will put a very big knockback. I will say 10. That might be a bit too much, but we'll see. Yeah. We don't need an interrupt list, I believe. So I copied this over here real quick. And this needs to be a minus. Okay. Let's see how does that look. Yeah, okay. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see the charge. Ah, it crashed. Unknown object from the list. Oh, I see, because I don't have a default interrupt list. That's it. Okay, let me check the other enemies, and I'm just going to copy that. Objects. Generic parents and in parent, and I need the interrupt list, and that would be this one right here. By default is undefined, so I don't know why this is complaining. Undefined, right there. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, and charge. Okay, it's working fine. Ouch. So it's 1, ouch, 2, 3, and charge. Ah, it crashed. No, unknown object hero list, not set from list. Okay, I see. let me hide these ones. Okay, so I need the already hit list. I will add these ones to the attack / charge. Okay, that also means I need to clean up, so I will just grab the default cleanup right there. Okay. Ground save file. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Charge. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And charge. Okay. Seems to be working correctly, kinda. 1, 2, 3. And the charge is working. Okay. The knockback is not as strong as I thought it was going to be, sadly. Yeah. That didn't do a damn thing. One, 2, 3. And a charge. Huh. That's weird. It's not working anymore. Huh. It only works once. Did I make a mistake somewhere? Hold on. Let me check the attack script real quick. We check the variable, the attack list, check the interrupt, already hit list. What is it? Hit list, okay. Those are right there. Okay, so basically I need to clean up the script. Hold on a second. So basically I will just put it on the going down. I will just set the ds_list clear already hit list. Just clean that. Okay, that should allow the play to be hit more than once. Ah. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and charge. There we go. That's one hit. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, and a charge. There we go. Now it's working. The fact that the enemy can actually shoot on different directions was totally unintentional. That's a feature, not a bug. Okay, and boom. I think the knockback should be stronger, actually. So let me increase the knockback. Knockback is this one right here, I believe. Oh wait, this is supposed to be the type. EMG type dot slash. Actually, impact. Right. I need to determine the type of damage, and let's set the knockback as I have it. This was a bit wrong. Okay. Remove a single heart? You mean so it does more damage? Like a full heart for the charge attack? I could do that. It will make the battle harder, for sure. 1, 2, 3. And charge. And there's the sweep. 1, 2, 3. And the charge. Okay, the impact is pretty good, I would say. Yeah. So the max player remove single heart, so the max hearts a player can get is 3. Currently at this moment, yes. Yeah. It's really easy to dodge, however. Yeah, so I could probably increase the damage. Yeah. And I kinda want to add more knockback. Just for the lulz. So I'm going to duplicate this. Make it 20. And the damage, I can make it a whole heart. Yeah. That's a whole heart. Yeah. That is only for the charge, by the way. It doesn't affect the projectiles. And the charge. Wow, that was quite the impact. Maybe I should lower it a little bit. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3, and yeah, maybe 10 was better. That looks very unnatural. Yeah. Okay. So let's switch this to 10 again. Yeah. Yeah, that looks way better, I think. Let's see the damage. Yeah, that's a whole heart of damage. Maybe I should lower the chances to drop a big heart. Yeah. Maybe have a window. Yeah, probably shouldn't have a window, but then again, it's so easy to dodge like this. It's very, very easy to dodge. The projectiles are harder to dodge. Like, I can literally like dodge like last second like that without issue. Yeah. It does come really fast. Yes. I probably need to adjust the drop table. Yeah, because I think the big hearts are a bit too OP in this situation. Let's see. Projectile. Projectiles. Ink shot. Drops. Okay. So currently I'm using a priority system, but the big heart is causing issues here. Yeah. Basically I'm adding, well, it's not that such a big amount, but it's double thanks to the fact that I'm adding bolts to the drop table. Yeah. Can you maybe make the sprite flash using codes instead of manually? Maybe you can do that for the change indicator. You mean when he's about to attack? Charge indicator? I do believe I can make it flash. I'm trying to figure out in my brain what would be the best looking solution. I could. I'm trying to imagine the situation, the animation. Flashing in a color could be useful, maybe? Yeah, maybe rolling in a spot before it dashes could be a better idea. Yeah. Because the flashing, I don't know what color should be correct. Red would be make it look like it got hit instead of actually preparing the attack. Yeah. So I need something more clean. Flashing white. I think maybe the wind up you're mentioning probably would be better. Yeah. So let me add a new carpet right here. Wind and wind up. Or both? Yeah, that could be also an option. Duplicate. And this is going to be the wind up. It will be like this, wind up. And wind up. Okay, so let's see. Since is the charge wind up, I can probably... Actually, now that I think about it, instead of using these ones, I can just use these ones. Okay, so it would be like this. Okay, so I'm going to do something very simple. Basically, instead of the little speed lines, I'm going to make it like this. I'm going to just make maybe like something like this. Like those little waves when a boat moves. I'm not sure what you mean. Something like that. Ah, yeah, something like that, yes.
For real, for real.
For real, for real. Yeah. Okay. That will look like this. Yeah. What do you think? Now just delete that's gone. Okay. And I duplicate this. And then I just invert this. Mirror. Like that. Yeah. So it will look like this. So 1, 2, 3. Maybe the charge is too slow. The wind up, I mean. Yeah, it's too short. I need something longer. Let's set this to 8 frames actually. Then. And I probably need to... Wait. No, hold on. My mistake. Hold up. Hold up. I never actually added the charge into the state machine. Hold up. Never mind. Hold it. Hold. I need to go over here and add an on-chain a wind up right here. So I need my on-charge wind up. Right? For that. And this becomes a wind up. Right? And I guess I can just have it here with nothing, because there is nothing to do for the wind up. Yeah. Also, I need to go into wind up instead of the charge. So from here, instead of going into the charge, I need to go into the charge wind up. Charge wind up. Yeah. And when the animation ends, that's when I switch into the charge. So here I switch into the charge. And I don't need this one. Like that. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, right. I forgot to change this. Like that. Okay, let's see. That's 1, 2, 3. And next is the charge up. That was non-existent, like literally. 1, 2, 3. And the charge. Yeah, that was not existent, like at all. Okay. Let me fix that. I need to set the animation image. What was it? Image index 0. Like that. Right here. So it doesn't escape the animation. And What else? Well, for now, let's check with that. Maybe the animation is still too fast, but we will see. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and the charge. Yeah, that was way too fast. Oh, wait. Now that I remember, I never added the prefix. Hold up. Prefix. That was the issue. Wind up. And that would be CW U. Like that. Yeah. So many details that you can overlook. Especially when you make so many states. 1, 2, 3, and oh, okay. It almost looked correct. Yeah. Yeah, it almost looked correct. Okay, I see the issue. Basically, I need to set the direction we are going to charge in, right? So it would be our direction is going to be facing towards the player, right? So that would be player direction, if I'm not mistaken. There we go. One, 2, 3. Okay. And then we have the charge. Yeah. Yeah, that looks pretty good now. Maybe the wind up is a bit slow, in my opinion, but we can maybe adjust it a little bit. Yeah. Let me make it a bit faster. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, because it looks very easy to touch, even easier than before. Now that it actually gives you like a warning. Yeah, that's a bit shorter, but it looks more clean. Yes. Okay. The camera shake really adds quite a lot of feeling to the impact, huh? Ouch. Okay. Now I kinda want to make it to face on the correct direction with this idol. So let's see. This is facing right, so I think I need to just mirror this. Like that, right? Then when it's facing down, that's going to be a different issue. Let's see. Maybe if I make a few extra layers. Let me grab this. I'm just going to remove these ones from this layer so I can have them separate. Not the biggest fans camera shakes being personally. Yeah. It does sell the impact. That's the intention, yes. That's why there is not that much of an impact. It's not like constant, the camera shake. Yeah. I just want to sell the impact. That's indeed the intention. Yeah. Okay. And then I need that. For this, and now we have everything separate. Okay. So I'm going to move the head more to the center, like right here. Let me hide the tentacles actually. I can maybe get away by just squishing this right here. Make it like that and a bit more tall, right? Grab the color and just like add it right here. Remove this. Something like that. And the eyes, I can just fix a little bit. I can move this one like that. And I can remove this one. And flip this one like that. That actually looks already good. Yeah. Look at that. That actually looks pretty good. Yeah. I just need to like fix this position a little bit. It does look a bit menacing. Yeah. Okay, I think that looks pretty good, actually. Yeah. So I can just delete these frames. And I'm going to just duplicate this one. Like that. Yeah. Let me see how that looks actually. Now it's not facing the correct direction. Ah, now it is. Ah. Yeah, it's not going on the correct direction. Oh. I need to fix that. Yeah, okay. Let me fix that real quick. Basically, on the attack, is not facing the player. So, I'm going to just add a little trigger right here to face the player. So I'm going to just say face target object underscore player. It's always so nice to actually make scripts that are generic for this kind of stuff. Yeah. Okay. So now he will face towards the player whenever he shoots. Right? Like that. That looks way more clean. Then again, here the shield is a little bit OP, I must say. Ah. Oh. Oh. Whoops. What just happened? Maybe some camera shake when he hits the walls after charging? Yeah, maybe after the sweep it would be a good idea. How did that happen? It's very simple actually. Basically, you see this? The door has a different collision tag than the rest of the walls. So if the boss actually matches perfectly the door, you can go basically through it. Yeah, I just need to add the doors to the collisions. Yes. That was funny. Yeah, this collision right here, it doesn't include the actual doors, basically. Yeah. Let me see. Scripts. That's sprites. Scripts. I believe it was either in attack or on utility. Let me check. It was in utility. Fuck. Hello. I just need to add the door parent right here. Object underscore door parent. Yeah, and with that, the boss shouldn't be able to leave the boss room anymore. Yeah. Neither I can do. Okay, never mind. That's not working. Hold on. I just need to... Actually, I have a good idea. I just need to make the interrupt list, basically. This one that is undefined, I will just make it actually have a value. Let's see, utils. I will grab this, basically. And I will put it over here. Here I will add the object underscore door parent, so the enemy cannot actually do that. I don't actually need this one or this one. Crate or rock are irrelevant. Butter also, vine also. Sense and cosmic parent is necessary. I don't need this one either. I don't need the water. And I just need to add that. I don't need the return. Like that. And then I just switch collisions for interrupt list. As simple as that. Yeah, okay. Let's see. That's working, okay. Now let's test the charge against the player. Okay. And that's working, okay. Now I'm going to set it so it hits the door. Okay. That's fine. Okay. Ouch. Yeah, okay. It seems like the problem is solved. Yeah. Did you manage to open the lockbox? Nice. Yeah, he's no longer leaving the room. Yeah, that's nice. Should I add a going down after the sweep? I think right now it looks pretty good. Yeah. Because I have it basically stay in place. Right there. Yeah. After the sweep. Ouch. So we have the charge. Then goes the sweep. Right? And then you can just go and hit it. Ouch. Ouch. Let me see. Can I even defeat this guy? I have not tried to actually fight him. Ouch. Ouch. How difficult is the guy? Maybe I do need to make a hit animation. Yeah. Ouch. This guy might be more difficult than I thought. Ah, he's stuck. Oh, because of the... I see. I see. That's the reason. Right there. I found the bug. Nice. Lovely. Yeah. It's on the point down, basically. The issue. Basically, I need to make this check right here before I move. Yeah. Okay, so it would be this. And this is a minus right here. Like that. So it doesn't go out of the arena. Ah, I fell. Did I not trigger that? There we go. Okay, so if I have it come over here with the charge and then I make it hit me right here with the charge, like point blank, it makes it go back, right? So if I'm right here, now it doesn't go backwards. Okay, nice. Ah, is it stuck? Really? Hold on. Let's keep a small distance from the wall then. Okay, come here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Come over here. Okay. Then I just going to make you attack me right here. And I make you go back. One, 2, 3. And I get close. Now, let's see. Are you stuck? You're lovely. Why are you stuck? Come on. Ah. It's like clipping the wall, which is annoying. Yeah. Hmm. If I make this a little bit bigger, will that work? Maybe? Okay. Okay, that's one. Come here. Okay. There we go. Now it's not getting stuck. Nice.
Element of surprise!
That actually surprised me. Ah. Ouch. Okay. Ah. Ouch. Ah. I got stuck. Lovely. How do I fix that, actually? That's a big issue. Hold on. Actually, I have a bit of an idea. How am I handling knockback again? You have direction. Okay. And you set a frame. Okay. 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 That's going to use it. Okay. So the trick I'm going to do here is on the state for idle. I'm just going to check for collisions. If place meeting XY with interrupt list, I'm going to basically set a knockback. right? Returns what? Hold on. Let's see. I'm looking in the manual for a
Column.
You check profession. Function check for position critical distance is if an object my position my distance runs in the code. Ok. Hola, bienvenido Spy. Bienvenido, bienvenido. Bienvenido. Okay, so basically I want to use this instant playlist. The position would be that. I think. Let me check again. Synchronized center returns the code. Okay. So yeah, this is it. So XY the list. Bar collision list equals to this list. Create. So this is the collision list. So this is the collision list. And order false. So once we have the collision list, for each actually I just can simply grab the first value, bar element is going to be equal to a collision list on 0, and I'm going to say element.x and y is the position for the knockback. The knockback I will set it to 1, and the frames is going to be 1, so it's just a slight knockback, right? And then I will just destroy the list. List destroy this thing because I don't want to keep it, and that should fix it in theory. Yeah, and hit we will go to idle actually. Let's see if this works. Okay. Okay, currently behaving normally. Now let's get in the way, like that. Oh, I'm not getting stuck anymore. That's quite nice. Yeah. He's not attacking properly, but he's not getting stuck either, which is nice. Yeah. Like that, right? So I need to make the attack animation. Calicero. No, I see. Okay. So I just need to make a validation right here. If collision list actually array yes list size of this is greater than 0, then we run this basically. Yeah, that should solve that issue. Okay, so if I get in the way, now it crashes harder. Lovely. Which is not set to an array. Why is it not set to an array? Oh, I see. Hold on, I get it. Yes, underscore list. Clear delete add is map shred replace set get add index hold on. How do you navigate this again? Destroy clear empty size at set find index find value okay, so I can do it like this in theory. Instead of this, I do it like that, and I just say 0. According to the documentation. So if I get on the way and attack, it shouldn't cause an issue anymore. Yeah. That's a bit of an issue, right? The fact that you can interrupt it like that. Yeah. Ah, that's not good. You can still get stuck, sadly. It's harder, but you can still get stuck. Ya estoy bien. Spike, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo te ha ido? Ouch. Ah, is it time already? Huh. Ah, ok. ¿Un sueño? Qué bueno que estás bien.
Touche
Yeah.
Napoca.
Like an issue never properly released. Ah. Well, I believe we made quite a bit of progress this time. Yeah. There is still some issues here and there, but in general, we're doing pretty good, I would say. Yeah. Yes.
Element of surprise!
Yeah, I think I will stop here for today. Then, yeah, I think we did pretty good. Yeah. We made quite a bit of progress. Yeah. You actually got me distracted there. Yes, indeed. Yeah. I just realized this is more effective than what I had before. Yeah. We will test it later. Okay, let's stop here. Yeah. Okay. Then I will be stopping here for today. Let's go back to the other room.
Why did that happen? D. Ricardo Lully used metal pipe.
Okay. So, let's stop here for today. We made some progress.
Napoka.
Right. Yeah. We made some progress today. Yes. No. Yeah, so we created several animations for the boss. I believe we're missing the hit animation, and probably the one that is the most important of all, the dying animation. Yeah, I think we need that one too. Yes. I don't know if doing it the way Zelda does it, like the original Zelda, or should I
The baby rattle animation too.
rattle animation too? You wanna flash it dead? Maybe we use Mother Brains animation, dead animation, where it just randomly explodes for no reason. What do you mean the baby rattle animation? Huh? Eh? What? I'm going to rattle the baby Kraken? A bunch of fire explosions like Mrs. For the baby Kraken. I don't know what would be a nice dead animation. I could make the classical Final Fantasy animation where they start like shaking in place and flashing and slowly causing different explosion. Then they turn white and disappear. Yeah. Like the... What game was that? Chrono Trigger? Use the flashing lights, flashing beams of light while turning white with the explosion sound effects. Yeah. The Kraken sinks into a water and pool of ink and disappears menacingly. And he gives a thumbs up, and we play the Terminator music in the background as it sings. Turn the barrel into a blender. Well, that would be extremely gory. Yeah. It would be... What? Like the Ultra Kill deaths, where they start spewing random blood as they die? Terminator Baby Kraken DLC? That would be quite unexpected. Yeah. But yeah, we need to decide on an animation because I need it to be basically consistent in between boss fights. Yeah. takoyaki making montage. You want me to make an animation like the Kirby's cooker, Kirby's cook transformation, where he just slams the pan with a what is it? With a spoon, and the enemies flow into the cauldron and they transform into food. But on this time, the protagonist pulls the baby Kraken in and turns it into takoyaki, something like that. Oh, make the baby Kraken desperately try to grab into the water before spasming exploding into the blood and gore. Then the water spread. It will actually make the game more horror-like, I would believe. Yeah. We can make it that after you kill the sub-boss, the first sub-boss, all the water in the ship becomes blood, and all the enemies become double the difficulty. It will be like entering the rusted world in Silent Hill, but green after the boss fight. The barrel just falls over, and the baby Kraken is just dead. That's another option, yeah. Or I could just pop it like a balloon, like just the literal just. Just break the barrel and make the Kraken start crying. That could be another option, yes. Yeah. We don't need to decide. Actually, how about you suggest different deaths animations in the Discord, in the game development section, and we will vote for one of them? Have it look like it's sleeping, dreaming of fish. That's another option. Like the Kraken passed out and a little bubble showing the Kraken counting fish instead of sheep. Yeah. It would be funny. Yes, having a special dead animation for each boss. Yeah. Team Rocket Knockout. Like it literally just flies out of the ship and disappears in the horizon. That would be another option. Yeah. Put it all on Discord. I wanna read through them. Yes. Or slamming it into the fourth wall, like a Smash Bros. Style, where they slam against the screen. That could be another option. Yeah. Yes. But yeah, we need to decide on one. I feel like having a special dead animation for each boss would be interesting. Yes. It will be funny, at least. Okay. Then I will give you that homework. Write down your suggestions on Discord. Yeah. If not, if no one actually suggests anything, I will just have it go poof and disappear like the other enemies. Yeah. Ok. Está bien, no hay problema, Spy. Que descansen. Que descanses. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. Y nos vemos después. Yeah. Ya voy a terminar el directo de cualquier forma. Entonces, no te preocupes. Yeah. Okay. So, I suppose I will be stopping here for today. I need to grab something to eat. Basically, have some dinner. Yeah. Okay. Good night. Sleep well. Bye-bye. Sleep. As always, my schedule is on Twitter and on Discord. It's also this time also on the community tab on YouTube. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Also, if you want to test the prototype, even with the box, it's available on my Patreon for free. The prototype. Yeah. The source code is also available for $1 on the same place. Yeah. Just so you're aware, if you wanna try out and make like an exhaustive list of all the bugs I have yet to solve. Okay, good night. Thank you for coming to the stream. Bye bye. Good night. Sleep well. Yeah. Bye bye. Good night. Adiós. Que descansen. Buenas noches. Bye bye. Good night. And bye.
Nah, hey, nah. I just
Good
realized
night.
you are practically offing a child in this boss fight. Practically. Holim. Ola.
Cheers.
Ola. Komotan. Duck. Yay, one boss done, I guess. Time alert. Parry. Posio toi bien, nomus consueño como siempre, honeybee. Like a sneeze you never get to properly unleash.
Cluj-Napoca.
_._xddggddggddgddt. Cafeway. Caught you distracted.
Croissant.
Alright, good night everyone. The baby rattle animation too. Don't forget, do a flashy death. Nah, hey, nah. I just realized you are practically offing a child in this boss fight. Practically. Holim. Ola. Komotan. Duck. Yay, one boss done, I guess. Time alert. Parry. Posio toi bien, nomus consueño como siempre, honeybee. Like a sneeze you never get to properly unleash.
Cluj-Napoca.
_._xddggddggdtt. Cafeway. Caught you distracted.
Croissant.
Alright, good night everyone. The baby rattle animation too. Don't forget, do a flashy death. A bunch of fiery explosions, like in Metal Slug. For the baby Kraken lol. Make those light beams keep appearing from the floor along with multiple small explosions before a big explosion offs it for good. The Kraken sinks into water and a pool of ink appears from the boss, menacingly. Or a huge bloody explosion with the soul of the Kraken rising up to the heavens. Turn the barrel into a blender. Terminator Baby Kraken DLC. Takoyaki making montage. Yes. Make the Kraken desperately try to crawl back into the water before spasming and exploding into blood and gore. Dyeing the waters red. I'd come giving brutal input for no reason. Or just make the barrel tip and the Kraken falls with X in place of its eyes. Or just break the barrel and make the Kraken start crying. And then a seagull swoops in for the kill. Have it look like it's sleeping, dreaming of fish. Sure, no need to go overboard Lamau. Team Rocket knockout. Or slamming it into the fourth wall. Wenum spice tiena que retirará un poco más temprano de lo usual pero igual felicidade por los 196 subs. Duck, thumbs up. Bye everyone, done. Alert, I'll check out the Discord, see you guys later. Okay, good night lads. There you go at Michael Daly. Cheers. Sleep well fellas, or I'll break into your house and steal your toothpaste. Good night.
Buenas noches.
Sleep well. Croissant. Banana. Cat, big black square, cat, big black square.